Hello everyone, wishing you and your loved ones a very happy and prosperous new year. My name is Ranjit Sutar and I welcome you to the construction update of Solitaire Business Hub Bane 3 located at Pan Card Club Road. Technically speaking, we have used more than 1700 cubic meter of concrete this month and over 270 metric ton of steel. Over 350 workers have worked for more than 1 lakh man hours in December 21 to ensure your dream office is on schedule. We are at 35% of RCC completion and happy to share we are on schedule. That's all from Solitaire Business Hub Bane 3. Take care and be safe. Thank you.